Well, I'm Mike Kotzian. I'm the Managing Director of Kivnon here in the USA. We're here at Modex 2022 in Atlanta.
We're extremely excited to be at Modex. Much like everyone else, we've been on a hiatus for a couple years for doing shows. We're really excited to get out and see everybody, shake some hands, and spread the word about our solutions.
And we're really looking to make our name as far as new customers and new opportunities in the United States.
It's a really big deal for us to be here. It's really important for us because the conversation is here.
Kivnon USA, we just recently opened our headquarters in Farmington Hills, Michigan.
So we have different kind of AGVs to adapt us to different kind of processes.
We have the flexibility of a small company, but also we have a large experience in AGVs.
We are proud to be here.
We have the right product for the right market.
If you're missing this year, you should come next year.